In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the enter password requirement on your Shopify store to provide a seamless experience for your customers. Now, whether you're preparing for a big launch, running a special promotion, or simply want to make it easier for visitors to access your content without barriers, removing the password page can be a strategic move. So, let's dive right into the process and walk through it together. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, which is essentially the command center of your online store. Once you're there, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu with various options listed vertically. Look for the option labeled Online Store and give it a click. This is where we manage all aspects of your store's appearance and navigation, serving as the backbone of how customers experience your brand. After you've clicked on Online Store, you'll see a few more options appear beneath it. What you're looking for next is Preferences. Think of the Preferences section as your control hub, where you can adjust key settings related to your store's visibility and functionality. Click on Preferences, and it will bring up a new page filled with various settings that you can tweak. Now, pay attention to the password protection area on this page. You may notice a checkbox that indicates whether your store is currently password protected. By default, many new Shopify stores have this feature turned on to keep the store under wraps until everything is ready for public viewing. If you've arrived here, you're ready to open the doors and welcome your audience in. Simply uncheck this box to disable the password protection. This single action will remove the requirement for visitors to enter a password before accessing your store. Once you've unchecked the box, don't forget to hit the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all these changes you've made are applied successfully. The Save button generally lives at the top or bottom of the page, depending on your layout, so be sure to look out for it. It may seem trivial, but it's an important habit to build when managing any website, as it guarantees that your actions aren't lost. And there you go. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully removed the password requirement from your Shopify store. With these few clicks, your site is now open and easily accessible to visitors and potential customers alike without any hurdles. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making your store more user-friendly and accessible.